Make x the subject of formula in ax plus b equal to c and b all over x equal to a plus c. That means we have to make x the subject of formula in the two equations. For the first one, we have the equation ax plus b is equal to c. For us to make x the subject of formula, first step we are going to start by transferring b to the right hand side, and when it crosses the equality sign it becomes negative. This gives us ax is equal to c minus b. Next step, we have to divide both sides of the equation by the coefficient of x, which is a. We are dividing both sides by a because this is the only way we can separate the letter x from a. Dividing both sides by a, this will give us ax divided by a is equal to c minus b divided by a. At the left hand side, a will strike off a, we will be left with x, which is equal to c minus b. Then we divide all this by a. You can see that x is alone at the left hand side. That means we have succeeded in making x the subject of formula in the given equation, and this will give us x to be equal to c minus b, all that divided by a. We underline the result. We move now to the next equation. We have b on x is equal to a plus c. We have to make x the subject of formula. 2i, we have b on x is equal to a plus c. First step, we are going to perform cross multiplication. At the right hand side, a plus c can be expressed as a plus c divided by 1. It remains a plus c. Now cross multiplying, we are going to equate, take x times a plus c, we equate it to b times 1. This will simply give us x times a plus c. We write this as such, x times, we have to multiply a plus c by x, so it must be in brackets. We equate it to b times 1, which remains b. Since we have to make x the subject of formula, we are going to divide both sides by the coefficient of x, and in this case the coefficient of x is simply a plus c. You take note, dividing both sides by a plus c, this will give us x times a plus c. Then we divide by a plus c is equal to b. Then we divide b by a plus c. At the left hand side, a plus c will strike off a plus c, and this will give us x to be equal to b all over a plus c. You can see x is alone at the left hand side. That means x is the subject of formula of a given equation. Therefore, x is simply equal to b all over a plus c. You underline the result.